Good evening everyone. In this video we'll discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty daily analysis. Before starting the discussion, if you are new here and you didn't subscribe to my channel, kindly do subscribe to my channel because it motivates me a lot. And if you like my videos, kindly like my videos and definitely say to me whether if you have any doubts or if you want to ask me anything, you can definitely ask me through the comment section or using other social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, or anything else. You can definitely contact me and definitely I will try to resolve your queries as soon as possible. So in today's session I won't be discussing the past analysis performance because I didn't upload analysis for today's session because I was in a journey, like I was in a ride in yesterday, like I was in a ride yesterday, so I couldn't make a video yesterday, so I didn't upload. So sorry for that, and I will definitely try to upload these videos regularly on a regular basis. And I will try not to skip not to skip the videos as much as possible. So coming to the technical analysis of Nifty 50, we'll first discuss about the technical analysis of Nifty 50. So as like previously we discussed about this head and shoulder pattern, the market has formed this head and shoulder pattern, and even after forming this head and shoulder pattern, this trend line has been the market has reached this trend line also. So the market closed below this level, and we are expecting the good fall in the Nifty 50. So as per our discussion and analysis, we are expecting a fall up to the 17,560 or 550 levels on the lower levels. So in yesterday's session, the market has reached up to the 17,530 level and it hit our target. And from there, we are expecting a minor correction. But the market went in today's session, the market made a high of 17,620 levels. But this is not the right amount of correction. Then we need to expect more up to this 17,700 levels at least. That is 50 to 60% of this fall. So it has to be more, but the market couldn't make as much as possible, and market eventually went sideways. So in today's session, if we see the chart pattern, initially the market opened gap up opening, and from there market tried to move up. There was a slight buying pressure, but because of a huge selling pressure from the upside, eventually market came down directly. So if we see on the lower time frame, market was open gap up opening, and from there market came down uh, came down to the lower levels directly, and from there market went and made a high of this 17,609 levels on the upside, and eventually it closed at this 17,582 levels. But if we see the follow-up candles, even the follow-up candle was a doji candle, and this clear cut this is a clear cut sign of indication in the market. And after that the market has closed down, and this clearly indicates that there is a selling pressure. Even there is we can expect a slight selling pressure even after formation of this doji, and we can expect a continuation towards the downside. So when the market is trying to move down, I thought of entering into this because of this previous bearish sentiment also. So I took a short position, like put options in this, and so, okay, I will explain my trade setup once the technical analysis has been completed. So I will directly discuss about the technical analysis for the technical levels for tomorrow's session. So the market has came down again, it took support at this level and market went up. So this support and resistance line, this green and red line, these are the support lines, resistance line for tomorrow's session. And overall, if we see, the market is trading in a range bound market, that is between this 17,609 and 17,455 level, and these are all inside bar candlestick patterns. And overall, if we see here, the market has formed a bullish ceramic candlestick pattern. In tomorrow's session, if the market directly opens above the 17,532 levels, then we can expect a good rally up to this 17,579 level, and this will be acting as a resistance point, and this will be our first target. If the market closes above this level, then we can expect a further rally up to the 7,617 levels, and this will be our final target. But if the market takes resistance at this 532 levels, and if the market turns around, and if the market closes below this 17,490 level, then we can expect a fall up to this 17,458. Even if if the market closes below this 17,461 levels on the downside, then we can expect a further fall up to this 17,350 levels, and this is a decent fall. That is coming around like 180 points down is a decent fall, and we can expect a good good fall even further after closing below this 7,350 levels, and it takes like couple of days to fall. So like even in our weekly analysis, I have discussed that even initially the market can go down, but in tomorrow's session the market can go down maximum up to 7,400 or 350 levels, and from there we can expect a good turnaround and market can go up. If not, the market can if the market is taking support at this 17,490 levels only, then we can expect a good rally, and as per the weekly analysis, then we can expect a good rally, or more or less kind of a doji candle or small bearish candle also. So this is about the technical analysis of Nifty 50. And if we I will discuss about the trade setup for today's session. So let's change this to 1 minute time frame. So in today's session, the market has opened gap up opening. From there, market came down and again market went up. So when the market went up, if we see, the market made a huge rally from this lower levels to this upper levels. So I took a Fibonacci retracement, and I was expecting a fall up to the 17,559 and this 540 or at least 521, but my ultimate target was this 17,490 levels. But I didn't wait up to this level. I eventually booked profit at these levels only, because when I took a entry, if we see, the market made a high and it made a lower high, and when the market tried to fall up to this level, and again market came up, and when the market here made a lower high, if we see here, the market made a lower high, but it didn't close below this previous higher low. So I was waiting for the market to close below this higher low, and market closed here, and again market came up, and again market was trying to move down. So when the market was trying to move down, I took put options over here, and I was waiting for the market to fall up to here. But if I discuss about the option premium, when I entered here, the options premium was around like hardly 18 or 20 rupees for 70,550 PE, and I took those, and I was waiting for at least 10 or 15 points to increase in my options premium, but it eventually doubled, like more than doubled, from 18 or 17 rupees to it went up to 41 rupees. And when the market is coming upwards again it started falling down from 41 to 38 or 39. When the market was falling, when the option premium was coming down for 17,550 put option, then I immediately booked my profits, because in today's session I didn't wait for my daily target to hit, because I know already the market has reached our daily target here, and I'm not expecting that market can eventually go down up to this lower levels, because if the market goes up to this level, then we can expect a extreme, we can consider this was an extreme market in for today's session. But I'm not expecting that market can be so much volatile in today's session. So I booked my profits, and as today is a expiry day, that is Thursday, we can't even expect more appreciation than this, unless and until we are more lucky enough. So I'm happy with this more than 100% profit, and I booked my profits, and I came out of the market, and the market is moving up around from these levels. So this was my trade setup. And coming to the initial levels in Nifty 50, in today's session the market has closed at 17,511, and if the market is trying to move up, this 17,532 level will be acting as a resistance point. And if the market is trying to move down, this 17,490 will be acting as a support point. This 532 and 490 levels will be acting as a central range. And if the market closes above this level for at least half an hour to 1 hour, then we can expect a rally up to the 17,602, and this will be our daily target. And if the market closes above this level, then we can expect a further rally up to the 17,693, and this will be our extreme target. So if the market closes below this level, that is 17,490, and if the market sustains below this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we can expect a further fall up to the 17,422, and this will be our daily target. And if the market closes below this level, then we can expect a further fall up to the 17,334 levels, and we can consider this was an extreme target. So this is about the technical analysis of Nifty 50 and initial levels and trade setup. So let's discuss about the technical analysis of Bank Nifty. And I didn't took any entry point in the Bank Nifty, because the market was very much dull, and market was moving sideways in today's session. So I didn't get proper entry point in the Bank Nifty. So I thought not to take any entry in the Bank Nifty in today's session. And even though the market closed below this support point, actually, if we see in the daily time frame, the market has closed where the market has closed in yesterday's session. So there is not much very big difference between yesterday's close price and today's close price, and there's not a big difference between these resistance and support point for yesterday's for today's session and tomorrow's session also. So I have drawn for today's session for my trading purpose, but I have changed these levels for tomorrow's analysis. So almost there is nothing much difference between these two levels, 40,076 and 40,063 levels. 40,063 and 39,943 levels, hardly like 5 to 10 points or 2 to 3 points, something difference is there. I couldn't remember those levels. So coming to the technical levels, the market has in the bank nifty, it has already closed above this 40,063 and it is trading above this level by 13 points. So if the market sustains above this 40,063 levels for tomorrow's session, and if it withholds this level, then we can expect a rally up to this 40,474 or 40,500 level, because there was a gap down opening over here. And if we see this gap down opening, these gaps will be acting as a good support and resistance point, and here we can see this gap opening as an resistance point for tomorrow's session. This 40,475 or 500 levels will be acting as a resistance point for tomorrow's session. And if the market takes resistance from here and the market comes down, and again if the market goes up, then overall it will be a cup and handle pattern. So I'm expecting to form a cup and handle pattern. If the market doesn't form a cup and handle pattern, then we can expect a valley pattern. Directly it breaks this neckline and the market can go up to this 40,764 level. This level will be acting as a good resistance point, and from there market can come down eventually and it will retest this support point, and again market can go up. So I'm not expecting that market can go up to this 40,764 in tomorrow's session, but I'm expecting at least the market can go up to this 40,500 levels for tomorrow's session. So if the market couldn't sustain above this 40,063 levels, and if the market has opened gap down opening directly at this 39,971 or 960 levels, then we can see a slight buying pressure up to this 40,063 levels, and from there market can come down and eventually it will break this 39,943 levels, and from there market can go down up to this 39,594 levels on the lower side. If the market closes below this 39,600 levels, then we can expect a further fall up to this. See, actually we have to up to this already it has retested. So we can expect a further fall up to this 38,200 levels, or at least this level 39,100 levels on the lower side. So here we can see a gap. The gap it didn't close till now. So if the market is falling, then we can expect a fall up to this 39,100 or 200 levels, and if it breaks, then we can expect a gap closure up to this 30,800 levels on the lower side. So this is about the technical analysis, and I didn't took any entries in the bank nifty for today's session. So let's jump directly into the individual level analysis for tomorrow's session. So in today's market, the market has closed at 40,000, and if the market is trying to move up, this 40,063 levels will be acting as a good resistance point, and if the market is trying to move down, this 39,943 levels will be acting as a good support point, and this 40,063 and this 39,943, these two levels will be acting as a resistance point and support point. If the market has to move upside, then the market has to close above this 40,063 and it has to sustain above that level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. Then only we can expect a rally up to this 40,263, and this will be our daily target. And you need to remember these level, or at least we can consider this one as an daily target. And if the market closes above this level, then the market can go up to this 40,525, and this will be our extreme target. And if the market closes below this 39,943 level and the market sustains below this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we can expect a fall up to this 39,753, and this will be our daily target on the lower side. And if the market closes below this level, then we can expect a fall up to this 39,506, and we can consider this one as an extreme target. So friends, this is about the technical analysis of both Nifty and Bank Nifty, as well as my trade setup and individual level analysis. I hope you have liked this video, and kindly do subscribe to my channel, and do kindly do like to my videos and do support me. So I will definitely make better videos in the future, and my analysis will be definitely helping you out. So let's meet in another video. Until then, bye bye. Jai Hind.